This video is on AP Human Geography and will answer a free response style question on the epidemiological transition model. So here's the question. Identify and explain how each of the three stages of the epidemiological transition model affects population growth, life expectancy, and mortality rates. We will answer B in a minute. So this is the demographic transition model, which is very similar to the epidemiological transition model. Birth rates and death rates are high in stage 1. Death rates decline, and so do birth rates. Population goes up because death rates declined, and then they're both are very low, and population levels off. The epidemiological transition model is about the main source of death transitioning from communicable or epidemic diseases to degenerate diseases over time. Usually the communicable ones are in underdeveloped countries, and the degenerate ones are in developed countries. And in the 1800s in the United States, there was a yellow fever outbreak, and most people died from the communicable disease yellow fever. Now, most people in the United States die from degenerate diseases such as heart attacks or cancer. We'll talk more about why this happens later in the video. So let's talk about the stages and answer part A. Stage 1 is characterized by high mortality, fluctuating population growth, and a low life expectancy of around 30 years. There are currently 0 countries in this range. Stage 2 has less frequent pandemics, life expectancy is around 50 years, and mortality rates are more stable but still fluctuating some. Population growth is exponential. This is a population growth graph for Chad, which is in this range. Life expectancy is right around 50 years. As you can see, it's fluctuating a lot, but it has an exponential growth rate, something maybe like the line I just drew, and it has a lot of peaks and dips. Stage 3 is what most of the countries are in. Life expectancy is around 70 years. That's the average life expectancy for a country. Mortality is caused by degenerate or man-made diseases, and most countries are in this stage. Mortality rates are more stable. Look at Australia. This country doesn't have a ton of immigration or immigration. Immigration, or I, equals in migration. Immigration equals out. And Australia doesn't have a ton of either of these, but it does have some. As you can see, there's this line here in the middle. That is the population growth, pretty much. And as you can see, it's pretty stable. That's one of the characteristics of a stage 3 country, is people don't have as many children. And population has dips, just like in stage 1, except they aren't quite as large and they are more frequent and small. Let's answer part B now. Identify and explain 2 factors, either social, environmental, or economic, that contribute to life expectancy at birth. Longer life expectancy is affected by better access to health care. Diseases can be cured better. Increased sanitation can stop many diseases from forming, and improved nutrition helps to prevent diseases from attacking your body. So that's a lot about the epidemiological transition model. Thanks for watching.